Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik here. Welcome to another episode of SEO Tips and Tricks. In this episode, we will take a look into how can you find the keywords for which any website is getting traffic from Google. For example, if you know a website and you want to find out what are the keywords this website is getting traffic from Google, we can find it out with using a simple tool and a simple way. Let's take a look. Great, so I know a lot of you guys use a lot of SEO tools and perhaps maybe free tools, paid tools, etc. One of my favorite tools that I've been using from day one of my SEO is called SEMRush, and I've been using it on extensively for all my projects, for all my SEO purposes. And the reason I use this tool is because unlike many of the other tools out there, it's been there from the longest I can imagine, maybe 10, 15 years actually. And it's grown over a period of time. It's matured, it's updated, and there's an active community behind it, an active SEO community behind it who knows what are the pain points that every SEO faces. And they always try to tweak or add a new feature in the product that makes it easy for SEOs to work. So I find it very, very nice, very, very easy to use, and very result oriented. That is the right word perhaps, because everything that you do in SEMRush is tied to a goal or a result. And it's not just, some fancy features and fancy things that you can do with SEO, which doesn't actually give any result. Everything that you do in SEMRush is tied to a goal or a result. And that actually is very impressive in my opinion. So I use SEMRush for this particular purpose, and I can show you how to find the keywords that any website is ranking for on Google. So let's take a look. So this is the SEMRush tool, and when you log in, this is what you see. This is one of the websites that I help mentor, mfy.im, and this is the domain overview as you see here. Once you go inside, you can see top organic keywords mentioned here, right? So basically this means these are the keywords this website is ranking or getting traffic from Google. So when you click on view full report, which is over here, it'll show you the entire list of keywords that this website is ranking for. So there you see it. It'll show the organic search positions from 1 to 7. These are the keywords, and this is the position for which this website is ranking for on Google. It's a really simple and beautiful way to find out what are the keywords that any website is ranking for on Google. Now, for example, if you want to find the keywords that any other website that you are interested in finding, that what you have to do is go into SEMRush and go into organic research right here. And then they ask for, let me go back to the main menu, and you can click on add domain. And you can enter a domain there. Let's say, msn.com. Add domain. It'll add the domain. You can see it somewhere here. There you go. Now, if you click on msn.com, just like I showed you earlier, it'll show you all the top organic keywords that this website is ranking on Google for. When I click on the view full report, it'll show me all the keywords along with their positions. So there we go. So msn.com ranks number 1 on Google for MSN Weather Vancouver, MSN Top 10 Places to Live, okay, all these different keywords. Okay, some of these I don't recognize, but it's Chinese, do dogs show love, right? So all the keywords that this website is basically ranking for. It's just amazing. So there you have it, guys. It's a very simple way of finding out in SEMRush. And SEMRush is an amazing tool that has a lot of other features which I'll be explaining in other videos coming ahead. But to answer the question of how to find keywords that any website is ranking for on Google, this is the way to find it. SEMRush will show you all the keywords, the positions. So if you want to find out the first to 10 positions, then you can find it. If you want to find out all the keywords that a website is ranking for from 10 to 20, you can find that too. You can just put in the filters and it'll show you exactly those keywords. It'll also show you the volume and the traffic estimated for these keywords as well. So it's a very nifty tool. I think SEMRush, you can try it for 30 days for free. So go ahead and sign up. If you want like a coupon or something, that if you are purchasing the program, then let me know. Just send me an email to hi@manikarthik.com, hi@manikarthik.com, and I can send you over a coupon that can get you a nice discount on the main package or the price package. All right, so check it out. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.